Many people have become millionaires on their own. In fact, 68% of people with a net worth of at least $30 million did it on their own, and some of them even came from very modest beginnings. And these young millionaires tend to do things differently from everyone else, which is why they achieve financial success. Researchers who have studied self made millionaires for years have found that many of them have different traits and habits that help them get where they are today. Welcome to Money Talk, where we discuss tips on making money. And for this video, we are going to provide you with advice from young millionaires who might help you in your journey to achieve financial growth and stability. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that like button, hit subscribe, and click the notification bell to receive updates and be the first to check out our latest videos. Number 1. Be ambitious. Many people aspire to financial success, but they are unsure of how to get started. There are some people who prefer to work on one thing at a time in order to achieve their goals. But millionaires are different and tend to be very driven. They will get what they want if they put their mind to it. They sit down and get to work on their goals. Number 2. Sometimes budgets don't really help. In numerous interviews with multimillionaires, most of them reveal that they don't follow a budget. Well, you might think, why would they even need a budget if they have so much money, right? But in reality, despite their vast amounts of money, they will only spend a small fraction of it. So to them, it is not all about budgeting but self-control. You have to spend on what is really needed. Save up and invest, and refrain from spending so much on leisure and luxuries. And once you're financially well, who needs a budget once you've retired and have a large sum of money stashed away? Number 3. Act like you could lose all your money tomorrow. Back in 2008, it looked like the world was ending because businesses were falling apart and people were in a lot of financial trouble. We ended up hampering our growth and progress in life and business because we did not push hard enough with our personal or business budgets. That is why, no matter how much money you have, you should always remember that you are much luckier than a lot of other people. Think of your money as if it could be gone tomorrow, and don't spend too much. Make sure to prepare for the rainy days and always be cautious when it comes to making purchases, especially large ones. This is true for both your personal finances and those of your business. Number 4. Stay frugal. Being frugal is another interesting idea that millionaires take part in. As weird as it may sound, some of these wealthy people also use coupons, buy in large quantities, and look for deals like everyone else. This lets them save money, which they can use to help them reach their goal of success. They make a promise to spend less money and save more. So, if you want to get rich, stop buying the well-known brands of your favorite things and start buying cheaper, non-brand items instead. It will work the same anyways and will save you money. Number 5. Save up. They say it is better to save more money than to earn more money, especially if you are pretty lax when it comes to spending. I mean, this makes sense since a person who saves more despite earning less will be able to achieve their financial goals over a person who earns a lot but spends more than saving. And this is what a lot of millionaires do. They like saving their money since they want to focus on earning more money rather than spending it. According to one survey, the average millionaire saves 64% of their earnings. As a result, they can put their money to work and expand their own company. You'll need to preserve your savings and thriftiness in order to avoid overspending on things you don't really need as your wealth grows. And since we're talking about advice, what is the best financial advice you heard or received that really stuck to you? Feel free to share it with us in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Now, let's get back to the video. Number 6. Time is money. Self-made millionaires know this very well. That is why they value their time so much. They know that their time is worth money, so they make sure to make the most out of it. This is an important thing to remember because wasting your time on pointless things will not bring you to your goals. You need to focus and make sure no time is wasted. Number 7. Learn more skills. You might be an expert on something right now, and that might be your current bread and butter. helping you earn a good income. But you can make more money and move up in your career by learning new skills. If the thought of going back to school for years scares you, don't worry. While it takes years to get a degree, it can take anywhere from a few weeks to a few months to learn a new skill. If you really want to earn more, you need to expand your skill set. This will not only help you improve yourself, but will also potentially improve your pay and position. Number 8. Get side hustles. Even though you might think they don't need it, millionaires also have side hustles that allow them to explore new things and possibilities while working full-time. To become a millionaire, one must have a hobby and the ability to turn the passion into a source of income. Having multiple jobs and side hustles increase your overall income, but might also lead to further financial difficulties. Make wise financial decisions and seek the advice of a financial professional if you have any doubts. You don't want to lose money, you want to earn it. Number 9. Invest. Everyone needs to invest in making money, beat inflation, save for retirement, and reach other financial goals. You want to make money so you can use it when you need it if you lose your job or for other goals. Investing is also important if you want to stop working and retire someday. It will help you reach your goals and make you live comfortably in the future. Investing doesn't have to mean putting away a lot of money. Because of compound interest, you can make money on your initial investment plus all of the interest you earned in the past. Even though everyone should invest, everyone has a different way to invest that fits their personal and financial goals. Number 10. Stay focused on your financial goals. Think about what you want to do with your life and what's important to you in general. Most of the time, you'll need savings, a good credit score, or a low amount of debt to reach your goal. So, there's a good chance that your financial health is tied to it. Focus on what you want most. Try breaking your goals up into smaller pieces that you can handle. Having goals that you can reach will make you more likely to reach for them. You have to plan and work hard to reach your financial goals. But every time you reach a goal, no matter how small, you should be happy. Keep pushing yourself and keep your eye on the goal. With these tips, you may be able to reach your financial goals faster than you think. There is a lot of advice out there about money and finance, but not all of it is the same. Even so, there is one rule of thumb that stays the same. Millionaires and billionaires tend to know how to keep or grow their wealth, so their advice might help you reach your goals. Some people think you're starting from a certain point, and others think you know a certain amount about money, which not everyone does. But you should always care about yourself and your growth. No matter what other people think, our financial journeys all look different. So, always remember that we are all going through this at different paces and circumstances. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, click subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. Also, feel free to leave us a comment. If you want to watch more videos, head on over to our channel to see more from Money Talk. See you!